a Zaption interactive video. So I'm going to start by clicking create a new lesson, and this will pop up to find a video or to browse the videos that are on your computer. So I'm going to come to YouTube, and I've already pulled up the video I want to use, and I'm going to copy and paste in the URL, and it pulled up right there. So then I click add this video to the lesson. Now I think the easiest way to do this is to start playing your video and then pause it when you want to add in an interactive component. Your interactive component choices are a text slide where you can just give information, an image slide, drawing where students can draw their answer, an open response, numerical response, multiple choice, checkboxes, a drawn response, discussion. You can replay it and you can jump. Now some of those tools are only available in the Premier version of Zaption, but there are plenty in the free version that make this an awesome tool. So I'm going to start by playing my video. Now I'm going to pause it right there because that's where I want my first interactive question to be. Now I'm going to come up here to my different options, and I would like this one to be a multiple choice. Now I can either drag it to go on top of the video or into the sidebar on the right. So I'm going to choose the sidebar, and my question is going to be, what is a point? My first option, an exact location in space, a dot. Now I could add more choices, but that's going to be, those are my answers. And so I'm going to click on here that this is my correct, and then done. So I'm now going to click play, and that interactive component will be there for when I have my students view this. So next I'm going to do a different type of interactive component, and I'm going to do an open response, and I'm going to put it right onto the video. And my question is going to be to just have students describe a line. And on their computers, when they're watching this, they will type their answer into this box. And it's as easy as that. I can move on, push play, and wait until my next interactive component needs to be added into the video. Okay, the last one I'm going to show are the checkboxes. And this is just like the tool in Canvas to check all that apply. And then I can stick my choices in right there. Now when you are finished, you're going to click publish after you've added in all your components. Now notice down here in the bar where it's showing me where I'm at in the video, it has these little lines to show what I've added in, to what extra components I've added in to help this video be interactive. So I can go back and make sure that they work. And you can see the video stops and the question pops up. Students aren't able to move on unless they've answered the question. Then once they answer the question by clicking one of their choices and submit it, then it continues to play the video. Now say I've gone through and added in all the different interactive components I want to. I'm then going to click publish, and you need to title your video, your lesson, and click publish. Now this is just like Nearpod, where when you have your students do it, they'll put in a code, and then they will type their name in, and they will answer in Zaption what their answers are to each of the interactive components, or click or draw, whichever components you've put in, and you will be given results at the end of it to show student responses.